everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon and welcome back. If you are interested in video production, making money online, tutorials, business, and I strongly suggest you subscribe as that's what I make content about every single day. But today I'm going to be showing you some settings which I recommend you use on OBS for low-end PCs. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see OBS is on the screen right now. So first thing, let me just show you the actual video capture device settings I've got, or well, the actual camera settings I've got for this. Let's go to properties, and no matter what webcam you actually use, always set the resolution to 720p and the frames per second to 30. Everything else like that, for example, well, that's basically out. That's up to you. Now, well, with this, keep the capture method automatic with your first display open. Well, first display on. Now we're gonna go into the nitty gritty, the settings obviously now, and the base canvas resolution to be 1920 x 1080 and output resolution to 720p obviously, and the downscale filter Lanxos, or however it's pronounced, with 36 samples. At the end of the day it makes things a lot smoother, and the FPS to 30 frames. Now to the output, obviously keep the output mode to advanced, standard, and then recording format MP4 because or MOV, because morning recordings saved to MP4/MOV will be unrecoverable or something. But with MP4 and MOV it's a lot smoother, so there we are. That's basically that right there. And obviously the CPU usage preset, you want it to be ultra fast, so the less usage it has, the slower OBS is going to be. And well, keep the rate controlled on VBR, and the encoder to X264 unless you have a more powerful encoder, and the rescale output again 720p, and well, that's essentially it. Okay guys, that's basically the settings that I use for OBS. I know it wasn't much, but well, what else can I basically say or do? If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing for more. Leave a like and share the video around to boost it in the algorithm. And if you have any questions, then please do not hesitate to comment them down below and I will respond ASAP. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in an upcoming video. Take care everyone.